Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a battery in a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. First, gather your tools, a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a new battery. Always prioritize safety by turning off your vehicle and engaging the parking brake. Remember to wear protective gloves and eyewear to shield yourself from potential battery acid. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Always start with the negative terminal, which has a minus sign. Use your wrench to loosen the nut and carefully remove the cable. Then, move to the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign, and disconnect that cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps that secure the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors using a wire brush to ensure good contact. Carefully place your new battery into the tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Now, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, making sure both connections are snug and secure. You're almost done. Apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals to protect them. Double-check all your connections one last time to ensure everything is tight and secure. Now, start your Mitsubishi Outlander Sport to confirm the new battery is working perfectly. Remember to properly recycle your old battery at an authorized center.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.